The BT version 2.1 is the traditional Bluetooth serial port profile. The adapter include the RS-232 or RS-485 interfaces. The RS-232 type includes the male or female DB9 connector. The adapter works as cable replacement for transparent data transmission. The COM port settings support the old or new devices. For example, 7 data bits or 1200 bps, hardware CTS RTS flow control or Modbus protocol. The flowing pictures define the pin assignment for the male DB9, female DB9 connector or 6P terminal block. The plastic housing is rigid and the size is compact. The high-gain dipole antenna will extend the range and provide a stable signal. The top side include the reset to default for LED indicators and power input. The rear side will swap the DCE-DTE for RS-232 type or swap RS-422-RS-485 for RS-485 type. There are 3 power input. Please choose one. The Type-C USB, pin 9 of DB9 or 2P terminal block. The 4 LED indicate the status of the adapter, include the power, link or not, and data transmission. The adapter can be configured the COM port setting by at command, PC software or app. For example, the baud rate, parity, stop bit, flow control, and etc. The master can be preset multi-slaves. We provide the customization service. If you need any information, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thanks for your time.